I want to thank you, Heavenly Father, for shining your light on me. Hey, thank you, subscribers, for joining my video. And those of you who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Mrs. DLC. Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be doing an unboxing from Coach. So, stick around. Okay, I must confess, my last video, I unboxed the Brooklyn 28, which I ordered from Macy's. And if you look at that video, I'm going to try to figure out how to post it up here. If not, I'll just put the link in the description box. But it was wrapped in Chanel paper, which is a good thing, I guess. It was wrapped in Chanel paper, but it had some scarring to the bag. So I was on the fence of whether I was going to keep it or not. And I just sort of decided that I would try it again. This time I ordered from Amazon. It was quick because I ordered it yesterday and it came first thing this morning. And it didn't come in Chanel wrapping. It did come in the Coach bag. So we're going to see if she's in better condition. I am going to return the other one, the other item that I have. All right. Looks like my lighting is a little off. Hold on. Just watch my bag for me for a minute. Let's see. There's some light in here, y'all, so you can see. I don't want you to miss out on anything here. Yeah, let's see. It's a little better. Still kind of dull. It's a little better. All right, thank you for watching my bag. So here we are. Let's unwrap her. Let's unwrap her. This is the dark ruby. I think that's what they call it. And she's in full dressing. Yeah, this looks like the bride. You know when a bride comes down the aisle? Here comes the bride. And she has a veil on. All dressed. It's been a long time for me. All dressed in white. And she's unveiled. So here we are with the Coach Brooklyn 28. Now, I can tell a difference. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to have to send the Macy's one back. Yes, big difference. Big difference. It's leather, so, you know, it's probably going to get some scar. But I want it to come from me. I don't want to inherit anyone else's scarring. So here is your genuine full grain leather marking there. Let's see. There you go. And let's see. I'll take all of. She has her dust bag. I don't even know. I'm just thinking. Did that other one? I don't even know if it had a dust bag. Oh yes, it did. Yes, it did. It did. All right. The packing. Let's take all of this out. All of it out. We have the freshness packs in here. That off the tab. There we go. I'm pretty sure she's a keeper, so I'll be taking all of this off. And just reveal our strap. It's a little distorted here, but it's leather, so I'm sure to get back into shape. All right, I think I got everything out here. And there we go. Here is the interior of the Brooklyn bag. Oh, can you see that? And that's the pocket. Okay, I must confess, I originally was interested in the Brooklyn bag, not because of the style, but I just wanted it because I'm a Brooklyn girl, and I just wanted to represent Brooklyn. Then I looked at the bag and said, okay, I really like the bag. So it really came from me being a Brooklyn girl first before the shape of the bag. So what do you think? That is the 28. So she's a keeper. We're going to send back the Macy's. We're going to return that one, and we will keep her. In my next video, I'm going to dress her up, and I'm going to show, because this dark ruby can either, oh, she's so soft. Oh my goodness. She's so soft. this could either be carried in the summer and spring and also in the fall and winter. So I'm going to show you two ways that I am going to dress Miss Brooklyn up. So say hello to my new friend, Miss Brooklyn Coach. Thank you all for joining. Listen, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that the next time I get a upload a video that you are notified. You don't want to miss any of this. This is like hot off the press. You want to be here. So thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for you. Signing off. This is Mrs. DLC.